Your question is fx is equal to x square minus 3x for x belongs to the real number, gx is equal to 2x minus 5 for x belongs to real number. Find the value of k for which the equation g fx is equal to k has real solution. So now what they have given, just we will write that only. So first they have given fx. So here we will write fx, that is equal to x square minus 3x, and here they have given gx. Gx is equal to 2x minus 5. Next, something they have given, see that they have given g fx is equal to k. So they have given g fx. G fx, that is equal to k. If you see this, what is that? That means that you have to substitute fx in g. Fx in g. That means this value x square minus 3x you have to substitute in place of x. So here what we will get, see this, 2 into x square minus 3x. So this is your x here. Minus 5, that gives you k is equal to k. Solve this. So here you will get what? 2x square minus 6x minus 5, and bring this k to this side. So minus k. That is equal to 0. Now, what they have given, see that they have given real solution. Real solution means what? Real solution means if you have two equal solution also, then also they are the real. Equal solution. Equal. Or if you have two distinct solutions, then also they are real. So we can say distinct. For these two conditions, what is that? First is that for equal, your discriminant should be equal to 0. For second one, your discriminant should be greater than 0. So both are real. Therefore, we will write here D is greater than equal to 0. They are the real solutions. Now, comes your discriminant. What is your discriminant? Discriminant is nothing but b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac. It should be greater than equal to 0 now. Now, so this is your equation. So now we will just compare with your standard quadratic equation. That is your a x square plus bx plus c. That gives you 0. If you compare here, a is equal to 2. A is 2. What is your b? B is minus 6. And what is your c? C is minus 5 minus k. Now, substitute these three values here in b square minus 4ac. Where you have to put? Here. So what you will get? See this? B square. B square means minus 6 square. Minus 4 into a. A is 2. Into c. C is minus 5 minus k. So here we will put in bracket. It should be greater than equal to 0. Okay, solve this. Minus 6 square is 36. 36 minus 4 into 2 is 8. minus into minus is plus. 8 into 5 is 40. Minus into minus is again plus. 8 into k is 8. Is greater than equal to 0? Solve this. So here 36 plus 40 is 76. Plus 8k greater than equal to 0. Bring this to right side. Here you will get what? 8k is greater than equal to minus 76. What is your k now? So we can say k is greater than equal to minus 76 by 8 divided by 4. So here you will get what? K should be greater than equal to minus 1 time 36, that means 9 times, and here comes 2. Either you can write this or you can write in mixed fraction, that is minus 9 1 by 2. So either one of them is your answer.